And to all my friends, greetings, namaste, vanakkam, and gratitude to you, my brother Sukumar. I think you people know him by the name of Kadir. So I have come here on his invitation. My introduction was incomplete. I'm a North Indian by birth, but a South Indian first by luck and then by choice. I got my first break in Telugu films, and till now I have done more than 30 films as the main lead in Telugu. So this was, this was, and it's really very, I feel very honored to be here because this is a philosophy. The Dravidian movement, as far as I see, I might be wrong, sir. Forgive me if I'm wrong. As far as I see, this movement is a movement for equality. It is a movement for development. It is a movement for welfare. Respected sir, I do not see it as a sectarian movement or as a negative movement or as a movement against anything. It is for a lot of things. It is for equality in India. It is for abolishment of the caste system. It is for the removal of all the regressive policies. I would just like to tell you, you people everywhere here, that for a person like MKS, it is very much possible to become the Prime Minister of India. In today's fluid situation, things are changing every day. People are very receptive. And in North India, sir, you must be knowing, all the major political parties, except one party, is losing space every day. Every day. You will be surprised. Whenever some eminent speakers came before me and they were saying only about South India. But if you come to North India, I'm not saying only Delhi. You come to Uttar Pradesh, you come to Bihar, you go to the interiors, you will find a lot of people there who are very receptive to all the policies, to all the steps which have been taken here. Mayawati ji became the CM of Uttar Pradesh. In her office, she had a huge portrait of Periyar. So, why be satisfied with Tamil Nadu only, when whole India can be yours? But a change in thinking has to come. Enough of being a supporting actor. Please. Enough of being a supporting actor. Why I say that? One of my brothers said very nicely that if a fake Gujarat model can work, why not a real DMK model? Why not a real Tamil Nadu model? Believe me, people are very receptive. People are looking for genuinity. And it is very much obvious from the V Dravidians page, as Sukumar Kadir must have told you, that so much of response he gets from North India. But the thing is to get out, to go out, to seek people, to build bases. Again, I'm coming to a party like Bahujan Samajwadi Party. BSP party had MLAs in almost all of the assemblies in India. It is high time that a party like DMK, such a well-organized, such a well-heeled and well-polished party, should have MLAs in all the assemblies of India. And it is very much possible. It is very much possible. A little bit of concentration is required, a little bit of effort is required, and you will be surprised at the results. Believe me, I'm not saying this against anyone, but when Mr. Amit Shah came to Uttar Pradesh, people said, what can, I'm admiring him, what can a Gujarati do in Uttar Pradesh? They said that. But he had intelligence, he had guile, and he had other things too. And for a state which was supposed to be swaying only between two parties, he swayed towards a third party. It is because there is a lot of fluidity in the north right now. People are confused. They need someone to guide them correctly. They need models. So I think MKS can be a role model. And I hope that he has a very effective tenure, and I'm already seeing his policies and everything, which is very nice here. And also one more thing which I would like to reiterate here is I read somewhere, again I might be wrong, that there was a 3-language formula which was proposed by Anna Doraisi. And I think not in North India, not okay. So like the third language, sir, you'll all have to pick up, and you'll all have to insist that at least in North India there should be a third language for people to learn, and a third Dravidian language should be there in every school and in every college in North India. It should be made compulsory. So many of the North Indian people and the North Indian boys are coming to Tamil Nadu, to Hyderabad, to Karnataka. All of the jobs and all of the employment is coming here. So these things, I think the higher up people in DMK should take up, and if they expand their vision and if they put in a little bit of effort, people like me are ready with all our capacities to install this vision and to make the title of this book a reality. Thank you so much.